In a world where money shapes so much of our lives, understanding the psychology behind financial decisions is crucial. Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, a book that explores the intricate relationship between human behavior and financial success. Let us dive into the key principles outlined in this insightful work. The first principle, time horizon and compounding. Housel emphasizes the importance of thinking long-term when it comes to wealth accumulation. Through the power of compounding, patient investors can achieve significant growth over time. Adaptability and flexibility are also crucial. Financial success often requires adjusting to changing circumstances and learning from failures. Those who remain flexible in their strategies tend to fare better in the long run. Risk and uncertainty play a significant role in financial decision-making. Understanding one's risk tolerance and being aware of cognitive biases can help investors make more informed choices. Housel delves into behavioral biases, such as loss aversion and overconfidence, that can lead to irrational decisions. By recognizing these biases, individuals can make more rational choices and avoid common pitfalls. Goals and values are also central to financial well-being. By aligning money habits with personal values and aspirations, individuals can find greater fulfillment and happiness. Social influences and peer pressure can shape financial behavior. Housel advises readers to resist comparing themselves to others and focus on their own financial journey. Education and knowledge are essential tools for navigating the complexities of finance. By continuously learning and seeking reliable information, individuals can make more informed decisions. Finally, the book emphasizes the importance of gratitude and contentment in achieving true wealth. By appreciating what one already has and finding satisfaction beyond material possessions, individuals can lead more fulfilling lives. Psychology of Money offers invaluable insights into the human psyche and its impact on financial decisions. By understanding these principles, readers can take control of their finances and pave the way to a brighter financial future. Because when it comes to money, understanding the mind is the ultimate key to success. So if you wanted to buy the book, then the link is pinned in the description. Like the video, then subscribe.